This video I am going to show you how to open print dialog box in Google Docs using keyboard shortcut. It's guys very easy and simple method. One or two steps we can know how to do it. Just you are new in my channel, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel and press the bell notification you get new and latest technical video. Let's start our video. Just press and hold Control plus P. That's it. It's guys very easy and simple method. One or two steps we can know how to open print dialog box in Google Docs. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel for latest update.